When you are faced with the task of choosing a costume that will be not only spectacular but also convenient for work, it is important to take into account every detail. This is exactly the approach of the Carnival factory and their mascot, the Seagull Captain Jack. The main feature of this model is the well-thought-out ergonomics. The animator's eyes are in the character's mouth area, which gives an excellent panoramic view of all 180 degrees. You can see the sight and the audience well, staying inside the image. The light isolin frame does not weigh down the structure, and the complete set includes a tunic, pants, a cap, gloves, and soft shoes with a rubberized sole. Thoughtful ventilation in the mouth and eye area provides comfort even in active mode. All parts are qualitatively worked out. Production is located in Nizhny Novgorod. Each copy undergoes 3-stage quality control of the OTC. Captain Jack is suitable for children's parties, city events, festivals, and show programs. He looks equally advantageous in any environment. The production time is from 14 days, and when ordering from 3 units, individual conditions apply. We ship all over Russia and to 160+ countries of the world. Details, contacts, and cost calculation under the video. Carnival Factory. We work honestly, conveniently, on time.